Oh man. Right, I'm sure you know that scene from The Matrix. Let's see if we can mash it up with this scene from Rick and Morty.
Here, check this out.
Roy, what's wrong?
I had a nightmare.
Right, so what we're going to go for is Morty puts the headset on, he then becomes Keanu in The Matrix. So, best way to do this is using, you guessed it, Kamua. Let's get into it. So here we are in Kamua. The first thing we need to do is grab our media links. So go grab the link for the Matrix video, paste it into Kamua. Same again for the Rick and Morty video. Paste it in, blue ticks, good to go, add videos. And now AutoCut has split out the video into all of its component shots. So you can see the video as a nice little storyboard. Now we just click on the shots that we want to add them to the timeline. So there's the ones for Rick and Morty. I'll get the end ones as well, so that's where he comes out of the machine. So I'll add that in. So now down the bottom here, you can see that's the final shot we've added in. So now we'll go to the Matrix video. We'll just select the shots that we want. So I think we want this shot, and this shot. Now I could just click, 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 but also another way to do it is click the first check and hold down Shift, click the final one, and it selects all of them. Add 3 shots to the timeline. Right, now we can see this final shot is there, so we can just click and drag it to the end. So now I'll just click the timeline to go into preview mode. I'm going to just trim these shots a little, so okay, so I think I'm just going to add another shot.
Snap out of it, come on.
I'm Morty, you're Rick.
Snap out of it, come on, that'll do.
Snap out of it, come on.
Excellent. Now, if we watch this back in preview mode.
Here, check this out.
Oh, what the hell? Whoa, whoa.
Snap out of it, come on.
Right, so you might have noticed that this has black bars. Now we can get rid of that by going to Project and checking Remove Black Bars. There we go, and it's automatically detected them. So that's the edit done. Very simple, just selected a few shots, trimmed it a little, removed the black bars. Right, now let's make it into a portrait video so we can share it on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Triller, Snapchat, Instagram, any site you could think of. So to do that, we go down the bottom here and select 9:16 portrait aspect ratio. Right, so now I want to keyframe this from Rick to Morty as he hands over the helmet. So I just added a keyframe at the beginning. I'll add another one in, drag it over. Now we can see how that works. Beautiful. I'll just slightly correct this by dragging it over to make Morty a bit more central. And then I'll repeat that process for the rest of the clips. I'll just pause the video because I'm looking after the baby. Isn't she gorgeous? So what I also want to do is go to clip options up here and just put a little transition going from this one. So we check crossfade, then select the kind of transition you want. So I want a opening circle. You can see a little preview of the transition there from A to B. So we're going to add that. Add the duration of the crossfade, so I'm going to put it at about half a second, so 0.5 seconds. There we go. And same again on this shot, because what it does, it puts the crossfade at the end of the shot. So add the crossfade, select it. Now I'm going to do a closing circle, so it's the opposite. So first it was like he was going in, now it's because it's coming out, it's going to be a closing circle. And half a second again, I think that'll do. Right, that should be it. So let's do a full render.
Here, check this out.
Oh, what the hell? Whoa, whoa.
Snap out of it, come on.
Perfect. Or as my mate Arthur would say, boom. Yes, Arthur. Okay guys, if you like the video, don't forget to give us a like and a subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.